Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lesson number 23 and SW number 15. And my dear student, our today's topic name is exercise 4.3. From exercise 4.3, we shall solve question number 20, 21, 23, 24 and 26 as your CW, and question number 22, 25, 27 and 28 will be your SW. Dear student, open page number 69. In that page, exercise 4.3, we shall solve from this exercise question number 20, 21, 23, 24 and 26. I have already written this question on the board. Please follow the board. So here 20 number question, x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. We resolve this expression into factors. Okay, at first you write 20 number question. Here x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. So from this we can easily write x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. So my dear student, notice we write x to the power 6 as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. So if we multiply 3 with 2, then we get x to the power 6. If we multiply 3 with 2, then we get y to the power 6. Okay. So now we notice here we consider x cube is a and y cube is b. So a square minus b square formula. So we apply a square minus b square formula here. So x cube plus y cube similar as into x cube minus y cube. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now dear student, x means a and y means b. So a cube plus b cube formula is applicable here. From this we can easily write x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is the formula of this expression, and from this we can easily write x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we write this formula x plus y into x minus y into x square minus xy plus y square and x square plus xy plus y square. My dear student, we write this expression just like this, just we arrange. Okay, nothing else, just we do arrange here. Okay, now this is the factors of the given expression. As our solution is done, we must write answer. So next we shall solve question number 21. Okay, so now I erase question number 20 and 21 number question is x minus y whole cube plus z cube. Dear student, we notice x minus y whole cube plus z cube. Here we consider x minus y as a. So a cube plus b cube formula is applicable here. So we write x minus y plus z. Okay, into a square. A means x minus y whole square. As plus, so this will be minus, into x minus y into z, that means ab, and b square, b means z whole square. Okay, now x minus y plus z, we write this. Next we write this as x square minus 2xy plus y square, and we do multiplication. That means if we multiply x with z, then we get xz and minus. So minus xz, minus minus plus, and y is multiplied with z and it will be yz plus z square. Okay, so in next line we arrange this number x square plus y square plus z square. Then minus 2xy plus yz minus xz. Okay, this is the factors of the given expression. As our solution is done, we must write answer. So 21 number question done. Next we shall solve question number 23. Here you notice question number 23, 24 and 26. These three math are in same method. Okay, and this is called middle term break. Middle term break. Okay, so write 23 first. X square plus 14x plus 14. Dear student, x square plus 14x plus 40. So we convert it, if we want to convert this into factors, you use here middle term break. Here middle term is 14x. So we want to break this. Okay, how can? So notice, at first we multiply first expression with last expression with sign. I repeat, at first we multiply first expression with last expression with sign. Okay, here x square and here 40. Dear student, notice 40 is constant term. Okay, so if it will be better if we say, if we multiply first first term with the constant term, first term with the constant, it will be better. So if we multiply, then we get 40x square. That means we break this 14x in such a way, that means if we add that two expression, we get 14x, and if we multiply these two expression, then we get 40x square. I repeat, we break 14x into two terms, and if we add that two terms, we get 14x, and if we multiply that two terms, we get 40x square. Okay, so how can we get that two term here 40? So we convert this into factors. Then 2, if we divide 40 by 2, then we get 20. Again, if we divide 20 by 2, then we get 10. If we divide 10 by 2, so no need to divide. Here 2 2s are 4 and 10. That means if we add 4 and 10, then we get 14x. If we multiply 4x plus 10x, then we get 40x square. Okay. So dear student, now you can ask me a question, sir, how can we do addition or we do subtraction? Okay. Dear student, we notice this sign, that means before the sign of constant term. If this sign is plus, then we do addition. If this sign is minus, then we do subtraction. Okay. So now x square plus 10x plus 4x plus 40. So notice, from these two expression, x is common and left x plus 10, and from these two expression 4 is common and left x plus 10, and from this whole expression x plus 10 common and left here x and here 4. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, this is the answer. That means this is the factors of the given expression. So this is question number 23. Next we shall solve question number 24. This is similar as question number 3. Here you notice x square plus 7x minus 120. Dear student, notice, we want to break this middle term. Okay, here plus 7x, that means we break this 7x and we do addition or subtraction. Notice, the constant term carry minus sign, as minus sign, so we do subtraction. So now we multiply this 120 with x square and we get 120 x square. So we break 7x in such way that if we subtract, then we get 7x, and if we multiply, then we get 120 x square. So now here 120. So we divide this 120 by 2 and we get 60. We divide this 60 by 2, then we get 30. Again we divide this 30 by 2, then we get 15. My dear student, notice 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means if we subtract 8 from 15, then we get 7. Again, if we multiply 8 with 15, then we get 120. Okay. Now notice x square 7x, that means largest number carries the plus sign here. After that, do subtract 8x and 120 is written here. Now notice if we do subtraction, then we get 7x, and if we multiply 15x with 8 minus 8x, then we get 120 x square. Now from these two expression we take x common and x plus 15, and from this two expression we take 8 as common and left x plus 15. Okay, from this whole expression x plus 15 and x minus 8. Okay, this is the answer of this question. That means if we resolve x square plus 7x minus 120, then we get factors x plus 15 and x minus 8. And our last question, 26 number question. So right here 26 number question, which is a square minus plus 7ab plus 12b square. Dear student, first of all we add first term with the last term. That means here a square multiplied by 12b square, and we get 12ab, yes, 12a square b square. Now dear student, we want to break this 7ab. We break 7ab in such a way, that means if we do addition, then we get 7ab, and if we do multiplication, then we get 12a square b square. So now 12 is written in such way, 6 and 2, 3, 2 2s are 4 and 3. If we add 2ab with 3ab, 4ab with 3ab, then we get 7ab. If we multiply 4ab with 3ab, then we get 12a square b square. So a square plus 4ab plus 3ab plus 12b square. Now from this a is common and left a plus 4b, plus 3b is common and left a plus 4b. Now a plus 4b is common from the whole expression and left a plus 3b. I hope you have understood. Dear student, this is the factors of the given expression. As our solution is done, so we must write answer. Okay, dear student, this is our today's lecture. Now I shall give you some problem as your SW, which are from this same exercise 22, 25, 27 and 28. My dear student, you must do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.